I'm 14 years old and I'm studying at Yaşam Tasarım High School. Today, I'm going to talk about self-improvement. First of all, I would like to start by giving an example from the life of Stephen Hawking, who is one of the most well-known people in the field of physics today. Stephen Hawking's life changed when he was diagnosed with ILC while studying at Cambridge University, where he started as a young physics student. Doctors told him that he only had 3 years left. Stephen Hawking can't use his voice without a machine as a result of the surgery he had. Over time, his hand muscles began to weaken and he experienced many difficulties due to his disease. However, despite the difficulties he went through, even though he knew he had only 3 years left, he never gave up, and the book he wrote sold more than 10 million copies. In addition, Stephen Hawking shed light on a world of science and, as I said at the beginning, managed to become one of the most well-known physicists even today. Based on this story, I would like to say, life will not always go the way we want. Of course, we will experience various difficulties, but the important thing is not these difficulties, but what we add to ourselves along the way. For example, learning a new word a day, reading 10 pages of a book, learning a new language, or maybe researching something new may seem small and unimportant, but actually they are really important steps for personal development. Even if it is hard at the beginning, it should be our goal to make such things a habit and try to add something to ourselves every day. It is also really important to set goals for our self-improvement too. When a person sets a goal that he really wants, he will strive to achieve it. And while he's trying to achieve his goal, sometimes he fails and wants to give up. But what he does for his goal will teach him a lot, because being successful doesn't mean that making any mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. But the important thing is learning from our mistakes, no matter how many we make, and to try again even if we fail. I would like to finish it by giving one more example. They asked Thomas Edison the following questions about finding the light bulb in his 1000th experiment after 999 attempts. Even though you made mistakes 999 times, how did you find the strength to do your 1000th experiment? And Edison gave the answer. The invention of light bulb was 1000 stage of process. As you have heard, Thomas Edison had many failures, but he invented the light bulb and made a great contribution to the world of science. As a result, something you do differently from everyone, even something you add to yourself, can make a great contribution to you and your environment. So please don't give up on improving yourself and trying again and again, no matter what. Thank you for listening.